be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So if you've been watching me for an array of time here on YouTube, y'all know that I am a connoisseur for shapewear, all types of shapewear, okay? Waist trainers, fajas, a lot of different types of things. And today I'm here to share with you all my favorite waist trainers, my favorite shapewear. That way, if you are looking to purchase some shapewear, you can make the right decision. And I also will be explaining to you all a little bit about the things that I'm sharing with you all in today's video. I will have all of the links listed down below as to where you can purchase any of the items that I'm sharing with you all in today's video. So don't forget to check out the description box. They will all be listed. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, y'all know that I prefer fajas over waist trainers any day. And I typically get most of my shapewear from Amazon. So the fajas that I'm sharing with you all today are from Amazon. Now, I absolutely love these fajas. Now, fajas are more so on the more expensive side, which is why a lot of people tend to shy away from them because they typically don't want to pay that much for shapewear. But let me tell y'all, it is always worth the money. And the reason why I say that is because fajas work to improve everything on your body. So they improve your waist, they improve the buttocks, they improve the hips, and they also lift up the breasts. I absolutely love fajas for that reason because not only do they transform the waist, but they transform everything along with it. My favorite faja is from Amazon and the retail price for it is $87. And this faja works wonders for the bodies. And then I also mentioned that the straps at the top are detachable. So if you're wearing something that is strapless, you can definitely take the straps off and just wear it as is. I like these because as you wear them more and more, you'll realize that they are super duper comfortable. Not only do they have the little hooks that you hook the faja together with, but they also have a zipper going up the middle to give you extra support. So these are absolutely great. And if you have to go to the bathroom, don't worry about it. There is a little hole available as to where you do not have to take your whole entire faja off. I absolutely love fajas and I definitely recommend that you check these out, especially if you are postpartum and have just had a baby. You will absolutely love these fajas, okay? Now, I also really love the brand YIANNA from Amazon. These waist trainers here are super duper nice for the price that you pay for them. They work to cinch your waist in. One thing that I can say about the YIANNA waist trainers is they do not last for a super duper long time, meaning that once you wear this waist trainer for I'd say about a month or two, you'll probably have to replace it with another, which is no big deal if you wear waist trainers consistently because over that period of time your waist should be becoming smaller if you've worn it each and every single day since you've had it, okay? I absolutely love the YIANNA lineup and I'm going to start with the regular waist trainer style from them first. So this waist trainer features 3 hooks, and of course when you first receive your waist trainer you'll probably be starting at that first hook. So as your waist is getting smaller you work up to that second hook and then you also work up to that third hook. This waist trainer here is also super duper great if you have to wear it over clothing because it's a nice looking waist trainer. It's not ugly, okay? And it's also very great for the body, very great for getting that posture in order, and very great for just getting that body snatched in general. Now, I personally bought mine in a size small, and I bought most of my shapewear that I'm sharing with you all in today's video in a size small. And the reason why I tend to do that is because typically with waist trainers you're looking to cinch your waist in, and I have more of an hourglass shape. So as I've said in an array of different videos, when you have more so of an hourglass shape, you have to go with the smaller size. And if your belly area is the biggest portion of your body, then you can definitely upsize if need be, okay? If you do end up getting the wrong size, Amazon does not stop people from sending stuff back or getting a replacement. So you can definitely do that. Just try the size, see if it fits you, and if it does not, then you can go ahead and send it back. But This waist trainer here is super duper nice, especially for the price. I believe that it is only $24. And if you check out this waist trainer, I promise you won't regret it, simply because it's so inexpensive and it does wonders for the body. This is actually the first waist trainer that I ever got, and ever since then I've been repurchasing it because I just loved it so much, and also it was super duper inexpensive, and your girl is frugal, okay? I don't like spending a lot of money on stuff. A lot of people look at me like, you got money, why you do that? I don't like spending a lot of money on too much of anything, okay? So if I can find something cheaper, I'll definitely get it. And this was just one of those things where it's like, honey, I need that, I love that, and it's worked wonders for my body. And it's one of the things that has gotten my body to where it currently is. So definitely check this out on Amazon, okay? Now, I also got another waist trainer from YIANNA that featured a zipper and also the hooks. Now, at such time that I filmed the try on of this waist trainer, mine was already toe up to the flow up, okay? But these are typically all together. I'll put a picture beside me because as y'all can see, mine was ripped. Now, these are more so on the inexpensive side, so you will experience things like that, which is why I said you have to replace these frequently. But honey, I wear mine until the wheels fall off, okay? I'm gonna do that, okay? I don't waste my hard-earned money, okay? So until such time that I have to buy another one, I typically won't. But this waist trainer also is super duper amazing. As y'all can see, it cinched my waist in so beautifully, and it just made me feel amazing, honey. Like, honey, my body is on fleek. So this also helped. I used to work out in this waist trainer at such time that I did work out in waist trainers. I tried to stay away from working out in waist trainers nowadays. That's what we have sweatbands and things like that for. But when I did work out in waist trainers, this one was my go-to because of the material and also because of the zippers and the hooks together. So this waist trainer was also super duper great at such time that I did wear it, okay? And then next up, we have my favorite brand for waist trainers, which is the Nude Shapes brand. This brand right here works so amazingly for the body, and it shapes and curves the body so beautifully. These waist trainers are a little bit more on the pricier side for waist trainers considering what I've shown in this video, but I promise you all, you're going to love these, okay? These are so comfortable to the point where the brand even recommends that you can work out in these, you can sleep in these. They help to improve all things like posture, things like that. And they also help you to improve your eating habits a little bit. So maybe if you're someone who's a foodie like myself and you can easily go over that limitation of what you should eat in a day, these will definitely curb that appetite just a little bit, okay? So I got two of the shades. I got deep brown and natural. Now the great thing about this brand is they are the first waist trainer brand to promote inclusion. So they have waist trainers that can fit each woman's skin tone, and I absolutely love this about this brand. Not only are their waist trainers super duper comfortable, but they're looking to create waist trainers for each woman's skin tone. So if you're sick of wearing the normal black waist trainers, look no further because this brand has created something specifically for you. Now I did get these particular waist trainers in a size medium, and the reason being is because these waist trainers tend to run a little bit smaller than the average waist trainers. And I did say that in my review of these particular waist trainers, is that if you do not upsize with these waist trainers, you're going to have some regret and a little bit of disappointment, especially when you can't get in it, okay? Because these waist trainers do not have any stretch to them whatsoever, okay? They are just waist trainers made to cinch you in and made to make sure that that body is snatched. So you all make sure that you are upsizing when it comes to these waist trainers. Did I mention that the retail price for these is $39.99? If I haven't already, I just did, okay? And that is still on the inexpensive side for a waist trainer. I don't think that I'd spend over that for a waist trainer, so hey honey, That's a good price to me. Okay, that's a good price to Miss Frugal right here. These are great quality and they will last you for many months and many years if you take good care of them, okay? Make sure that you are washing your waist trainers. Make sure that you only wash them. You can hand wash them if you'd like to as well, but just make sure that you are not drying them, okay? These waist trainers work wonders for the body. I mean, I know, because I wouldn't be sharing with y'all if they weren't amazing, okay? Definitely check these out down below. And if you're looking to purchase the Nude Shapes waist trainer specifically from the Nude Shapes website, definitely make sure to use my code Maddie10 for 10% off of your purchase. I will have everything listed down below and all the information that you need to know. And if you watched the video to this point, comment down below body snatched. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.